What you're looking at right now, a fully researched, structured blog post, was written in Google Docs without me leaving the Google Docs. No copy pasting from ChatGPT, no tab switching, no manual formatting, just an AI agent living right inside the extension panel doing the heavy lifting. Let me show you exactly how I did this in under 5 minutes. Getting started takes around 60 seconds. Open any Google Doc file, go to extensions, click on add-ons, get add-on, search for AI agent for work. You will see here an Ajelix AI agent for work. Click on install here. To open the add-on, go to again to extensions. You will see the AI agent for work, open AI agent, and you will see this drop down show up. As a first time user, the add-on will ask for an API key. Just go to chat.ajelix.com, sign up for free, and you will be able to copy the API key from your account settings. Once you've done all of that, you will access the chat bar. And let's start with the first prompt. I'm going to ask AI to write a blog article on the topic, what are AI agents in depth. Let's click start. He did the research, prepared an outline, so there's our different research notes. He has nailed down market size and growth, sources right here. What we're going to do is ask it to write a full blog article based on the outline. And here it goes. AI has written a fully detailed article. You can see right here with all the headings and the content and the tables, everything you need for a solid SEO article. And it took just a couple of minutes. I didn't write a single word of that. I directed an AI agent to do the research, structure the content, and place it exactly where I needed it. And this is just the beginning of what this extension can do. You can chat with AI to brainstorm, edit, or rewrite sections. You can extract data from any web page, just drop in a URL or upload a PDF, Word file, or any document, and agent will read it and help you convert or summarize it right inside your Google Doc. Same extension works in Google Sheets for data tasks, in Slides for presentation content, and in Forms too. Or if you want the full experience, pull it up at chat.ajelix.com in your browser and you will have access to a web app interface. I hope this gives you a fresh way to think about what's possible inside your Google Workspace. If you want to try it yourself, there's a free tier available at chat.ajelix.com. No credit card needed. Drop a comment and let me know what you want to see next, whether it's sheets automation, slides, or something completely different. I will build the next use case around what you actually need. See you in the next one.